In this discussion, you can see how to read CSV file using Python. Going to terminal, creating one CSV file like read CSV. Here we are using import CSV. Using this package, you can read all the CSV files. First of all, what we have to read from CSV file is student underscore list dot CSV file, and if I'm going to in directory, here you can see this student underscore list having a like student name and marks as a header part, and then after you can see here the list of all the student list. This file we have to read from Python side, going to again in editor, and simply what we have to do is opening the file like with open, and first of all we have to use here that file name student list.csv. After that we have to use here one mode like write mode, read mode and append mode, but here we are just reading, so we don't need to add any extra one, only using R as a read and create as an instant like stud, then after colon, and then after we have to use like students equal to csv dot reader, like using this reader method we have to register this instance, and then simply what we have to do is execute one for loop stud in students, so all the data will read from this file and giving it as a list of data like list of string, and simply we have to use a for loop print student, that's it, and execute here read dot underscore csv dot py, and you can see here student name, then after mark, then a student 1 50 and so on. But if you want to display, like if you want to get only student names, so simply you have to do is of 0 and again calling this file, you can see the first colon will print here. So like this way you can read any CSV file using CSV package. I hope you understood this one, like how to read CSV file using Python. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and see you in next video.